Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to today's presentation on a profile determination process of implementation and responsibility of village government budget APBDes. Brought to you by Group 4 of the State Finance course under the guidance of our statement lecturer Mr. Rizky Syapril SHI MSI. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Afarian Uttori Ramadana and I will serve as your moderator for this session. Let me introduce the speaker. 1. Duyanti Aura Putri, 2. Elga Frisila Yelsika, and 3. Mala Sismawati. Next. Background. The process of ratification, implementation, and accountability of the village budget is important to ensure good, transparent, and equitable village financial management for the sake of community development and empowerment. The village budget is prepared by the village government and agreed upon with the BPD through village deliberation in accordance with the village law. Ratification of the village budget through village regulation becomes the legal basis for budget implementation, with the village head as the main person in charge involving village official and the BPD so that the use of village funds is optimal and in accordance with the rules. Next. Definition and legal basis of definition. APBDes is the annual financial plan of the village government that is discussed and agreed often jointly by the village government and the village consultative body. And stipulated by village regulation, APBDes contain detail of village income, expenditure, and financing for one budget year. Legal basis for village budget. 1. Law number 6 of 2014 concerning village. Article regulations sort of village income. The use of village funds is priorities for community development and empowerment. 2. Government regulation. Regarding the implementing regulation of the village law, manage the process of complying and determining the village budget. Three, Minister of Home Affairs Regulation number 20 of 2018 concerning village financial management. Artikel 20-30 regulation in detail the preparation, implementation, administration, reporting, and accountability of the village budget. 4. PDTT Ministerial Regulation number 8 of 2022 or the latest regulation regarding the priority as of village fund, which are the main component. Okay, thank you. Without further let's begin with our first speaker, Mala Sismawati, who will present purpose and function of APBDes. Mala, the stage is yours.
Okay, purpose and function of the GTV of the films. Based on Law Number 6 of 2014 concerning village fund in profit opportunity for village to develop fleets according to their potential. According to the Ministry of Finance 2017, village funds are fund budgets annually in the APBN which are given to ex-fil as source of income. Next, GTV of Felix. According to Lily, 2014 Felix Fund are fund receive the fill every year from the APBN, which are specifically given to fill the transferring. Template through the district Citi APBD, which are set to fund our process for organizing field affairs. Governance of Lands Development. According to our article 1 PPX atau 2016, flag fund are defined as funds source for the APBN which are allocated for fleets which are transferred to the district Citi APBD and assigned to finance the implementation of governments. Implementation of developments, community developments, and empowerments. Next. The objective of Flex Fund based on the legal basis of Law Number 6 of 2014 concerning films include 1. Improve public service in place. 2. Eradicating poverty. 3. Enforcing the free economy. 4. Economic development gets which 6. Strengthening field communities and subject of development. Next. Action of the flinks. 1. As flink budget planning to which is positioned to format the goal and target of flex development policy. 2. As working goals for the field budget with an operational guide for the field governance and fleet institution in carry out side duties and fashion. As monitor, the APBD's function as a monitoring or control instrument, but be the region subject head BPD and the field community. 4. As a coordination tool between Wilgan government elements such as the feelings and BPD LBN field budget. Next. Satu, planning and budgets. Different government prepare and program plenty will be implemented in one budget year. 2. Implementation. The village government bids to man and mobile human records and budgets. 3. And administration recording of financial receipts and expenditure. 4. Reporting the filling hand submit a report and the relation of the implementation of the flex budget to the region atau mayor 30 sub-district head and to T. 5. Accountability of the flex governments for financial management. Organically in PNS income from the flex on business or economic activity, for example. 1. Management of flight loan fund. 2. BUMDes business. 3. Freelance service. 4. Community voluntary contribution. Next. Government transfer. 1. Philip Fund DD Fund from the APBN for place community development and empowerment. 2. Felix Fund election. Confronting Blacks of Cancer. 3. Tier 4 of regression and living process. L. Stick to Bill Gates. Next. Author legis income. Third parties. 3. Shares funds. For author income is legitimate and does not conflict with. Next. And honorary for Wilhelm, Wilseger, and other staff through BPD operational allowance. Next. Filling a government operation efforts to support activity and government administration. Example, purpose of stationery athletic, Felix office credit, Felix meeting cost, Felix office snacks, official transportation for Flex and his staff. Next, capital expenditure to execute fixed asset or investor that's for profit long-term benefits. Example, construction of link road bridge environment, increasing channels, procurement of increased health board equipment, construction of mixed health building. Next. Unibet shopping. Used for emergency and unforeseen situation. Example, disaster management, flood ladies risk. 2. Emergency situation such as pandemics or disease. Next. Transfer shopping. Funds profit be placed to third parties to support charity activities. Example, computer participation in BUMDes, assistance for regulation in tuition, PKK, Karang Taruna, sekian.
Okay, thank you for Mala for your detailed explanation of the stage of completing APBDes and the sort of village income and types of village expenditure. Your insights have provided us with a strong foundation to understand the budgeting process and its financial components. Now we will process to the section which focused on the parties involved in the APBDes process and the APBDes approval process and supporting document for approval. This topic will be presented by Elga Priscilla. Elga, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Alpha. I will present the material on the parties involved, validation, and documentation of the village governance budget. Parties involved in the APBDes are government or village government budget. 1. Village government, village hand and village apparatus. 2. BPD or village consultative body. 3. Representative of residents, community leaders, women's element, 4. Community elements, and community organization. Village government budget or APBDes approval process and supporting approval documents. Village deliberation or MUSDES, determination of the village budget is an official forum to discuss and agree on the draft village budget. In this deliberation, the village government presents the draft. The end discussion is held and joint discussion making a spirit of consensus. 2. Preparation of the draft village budget carried out by the village government, based on the result of village planning and deliberation or MASDES involving village official, BPD, and the community. This plan includes village income and expenditure and financing. 3. Submission and evaluation by the regional government. After the determination, the village regulation on the village budget is submitted to the region or mayor through the sub-district and to be evaluated within a certain period of time, usually 3 working days. And there is no evaluation, the village regulation at least automatically. If there is a correction, the village hand is required to correct it according to the direction. 3. Supporting documents. 1. Accountability report or LPG. 3. Administrative document. And 3. Goods or service procurement is prepared to ensure transparent and equitable financial management in the village. Thank you. I hand it back to Alpha as the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Elga. For your comprehensive explanation of the material. Your presentation has helped us understand the roles of various stakeholders and the procedural aspect of APBD's approval. Now, we will move on to the next section, which cover implementation of APBDs and village financial management, monitoring and evaluation of APBDs implementation and case study. This topic will be presented by Dwi Yantiaura Putri. Dwi, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Alpha. The next material is implementation of village APBDs. The next material is implementation of APBDs and village financial management. Implementation of the APBDs. The first planning through Hamlet deliberation and village development planning meeting to accommodate community aspiration and determine priorities. The result become the basis for compiling the village work plan and village budget draft, which are discussed with the BPD evaluated by the sub-district head, then stipulated as village regulation with participatory, transparent, and accountable principle. The second implementation, budget implementation document DPA is created. The village head appoints a village financial management technical implementer. Procurement of goods, service, and financial transactions are carried out in. The village treasurer records all income and expense with valid transaction documents. The accountability report is submitted to the village head every month and verified by the village secretary. Archiving of financial document is done for examination and audit. The fourth, reporting. The village head submits a village fund report to the region mayor through the sub-district head. The report is evaluated. And if accepted, forward to the governor and minister. The APBD's accountability report includes income, regency, city government's profit, guidance, and supervision of village financial management is accordance with applicable regulation. Next, financial management. Village financial management consists of 6 main steps. The first, planning. The village government prepares program and activity plans based on community needs through deliberation, include the RPJMDes and RKPDes. The second, budgeting. The plan is outlined in the village budget, which contains detail of income and expenditure, agreed upon and approved by the village consultative body. The three, implementation. Budget programs and activities are implemented with the principle of transparency and accountability through village cash account. The fourth, administration, recording of all financial transactions by the village treasurer, producing administrative document as the basis for reports. The fifth, reporting. The village head submit periodic report on the realization of the village budget to the region mayor and the community. The sixth, accountability. The year and accountability report is submitted to the region mayor and published to the public to ensure transparency and accountability. The next material is monitoring and evaluation of APBDes implementation. Monitoring and evaluation MONEF of APBDes aims to ensure that the ask of village budget is according to plan, transparent, and accountable. This activity includes administrative audits, accountability report, budget realization, and review of physical and non-physical program. The MONEF team consists of the sub-district government, village assistants, and village officials who assess progress, development quality, and implementation constraints. The monitoring results are used to evaluate and improve village fund management so that programs are more optimal and have an impact on community welfare. In short, MONEF is a routine process of supervision and evaluation to increase the effectiveness and transparency of village financial management. The next material is case study. The first, Gendingan Village, Ngawi Regency. Approve of the 2023 village budget. The Gendingan village government determined the 2023 village budget through village regulation number 2 of 2023. After going through village deliberation and sub-district head evaluation, the budget is allocated to 5 main areas, including the implementation of village governance and village development. The second is Sidamukti Village, Cilacap Regency, implementation and accountability of the 2023 village budget. Sidamukti Village prepared the 2023 Village Budget Realization Report with a process of data collection, report preparation, BPD approved, and submission to the region through the sub-district head. The report includes village income, expenditure, and financing, demonstrating a commitment to transparency and accountability. The three Bribek Village Pemalang Regency accountability of the 2023 village budget. The Bribek Village government prepared the 2023 village budget accountability report in a transparent and accountable manner, covering income from various sources and expenditure for 5 main areas. Evaluation were conducted to assess program achievements and the efficiency of funds. The 4 Raksasari Village. Tasikmalaya Regency. Strategies is implementation of village budget. Raksasari Village implements village budget as an effective and transparent village financial management strategy. Funds are used for infrastructure development and community economic empowerment, such as skill training and local product development. The 5 Batik Now Village, North Bengkulu Regency. Realization and certification of village budget 2023, Batik Now Village has succeeded in realizing development through the 2023 Village Fund according to the rules. After certification by the technical team and village assistants, the development results were handed over to the community through the village handover deliberation, indicating success in budget implementation and accountability. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Dwiyanti Aura Putri. Next. Okay, conclusion. BDS is an annual village financial plan that contains income, expenditure, and financing, complete based on RKPBDS and stipulation by village regulation in accordance with Law No. 6 of 2004 and Permendagri No. 20 of 2018. The aim is to manage village finance transparently, accountability, and effective for the prosperity of the community, functioning as an instrument for planning, management, and supervision. The preparation of APBDes goes through starting for RKPBDes. Village deliberation by the village government and BPD. To the stipulation of village regulation, village income comes from original village income, transfer funds, assistance, and grants. Expenditure include the implementation of village governance and development. Parties involved include the village government, BPD, community, and district or city government. Ratification is carried out through village deliberation and stipulation by village regulation. The implementation of APBDes must be transparent and equitable in accordance with the principle of regional financial management, monitoring, and evaluation are carried out presidentially to ensure that the budget is actioned according to plan and development goals are achieved. Okay, thank you everyone for your participation and attention throughout. Today presentation on the profile determination process of implementation and responsibility of village government budget APBDes. We hope that the knowledge shared today has been useful in broadening your understanding of APBDes and its role in ensuring good governance and financial accountability at the village level. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.